Ring ring. Hello and welcome to episode 8 of Will It Microwave, the show where we microwave things to see what happens. On today's episode, we'll be microwaving this telephone. It's made to plug into any regular phone. You've got buttons for volume up and down, answer and pick up calls, and while the sound quality and microphone quality is absolutely terrible, it does work. For now. We'll pop it in there like that and hope that Grandma doesn't call. We'll start with 30. I think we'll stop it there. Got a little bit of a delicious telephone coming out, with even more in here. We'll just give that a moment to calm down. But I think we can see that it definitely is not safe to microwave. Thank you for watching this episode, and thank you for watching, and please be sure to join us in the next episode for more excitement.